This is the video for routine 104 of the Find Gifts game. It starts out by setting T tall to 319, Y to 1002, the XY position to 486, and then it sets the color to a bright red. It sets the Q register for the quill to 1. That's the thickness of the line. And then it does a rectangle draw. Well, I'm going to go to the game to show you what it just did. It drew this red box around all 200 of the gifts. Back to the program. Well, right after it does that rectangle draw, it says box that rectangle and call it click number 5. Then the very next instruction wants to know if it is click number 5 that was clicked. And if it wasn't, it goes to EE down here and goes home. But if number 5 was clicked, the next statement says action mat, which defines the area of this rectangle as being rows and columns. And it says it has 25 columns and 8 rows. It does. We'll go back there again. There's 25 columns and there's 8 rows. So it just divided up this area. Well, that's where the pictures are. Let's go back there. Then it says in the register L what the index number is of the one that was clicked. Then it says for I 0 to 5, that 6 times go around all the maxed indexes and see if one of them is this value of L. Well, if it is L, it's going to go down here to EG and set found offset I to the value of 1. So if it found, at offset 4, it comes down here and says, well, then offset 4 of found is 1. Alright, so this routine is checking for clicks on the pictures, and if the picture of the gift matches one of the gifts that's to be found, it sets it in the found list to a 1. Well, this is the end of the video for routine 104 of Find Gifts.